Abraham Lincoln, Dr. King stood up for justice, peace, and love. There used to be slavery, hatred, and crime, but thanks to them, it's good all the time. Justice, 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 justice. Peace, 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 peace. Love, love, love. Yeah!
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
40 years ago, we stood up to be equal. We broke out of oppression, and we broke out of depression, and we fought for our rights. We fought through day and night, and we proved that all people are equal.
So even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream.
He wanted no violence, he wanted no shame, he wanted no one to get into the ring. He had a dream that all one day could all ride the bus and all the subways. He wanted no slaves, he wanted no pain, he wanted no one to get into the ring.
Because I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today